have a lamb steak today. Never had lamb in my life, so we're gonna try it together. Little flaky salt, see what the inside looks like. Looks pretty good. This seems like a very lean piece of meat, which I'm not mad about. All right, cheers. Okay, I'm a fan. I really thought this would have a gamey taste, but it doesn't at all. It's actually quite flavorful too. This is actually fire. It kind of just tastes like regular steak. Has a perfect crust. I wasn't sure if lamb was safe to eat a medium rare, but I do think I would have liked it a little less done. This is so good. I love meat. It's pretty hard to disappoint me when it comes to food. Little Zevia. Am I totally wrong? Or are you supposed to eat gravy with lamb? I honestly feel like that'd be fire. Doesn't get better than that right there. Chef's kiss. Cheers. Have a beautiful day.